If your business or company has a website, then you need to have some kind of SEO strategy. Yes, search engine optimization strategy in place each and every day. Otherwise, what is your website really doing? Does it even have a purpose? Yeah, I got you thinking now. You need to treat your website as a tool, an extension of your sales team, your operations team, your hiring department, anything else that you have to communicate outside of your organization. And unless you are spending a lot in other areas of marketing, organic search is going to be the primary source of your website traffic. Here are a couple quick tips that you can start using today to bring your search engine optimization up to a level or 2 or 3. And hopefully you're already doing some of these as we go forward. Number 1, use Google Search Console. Google Search Console, like Google Analytics, is a free tool provided by Google. Use it to make sure Google is properly viewing your website and see where you are currently ranked. Number 2, get an SEO plugin for your website. There are a bunch out there. I personally am a fan of Yoast SEO. Number 3, add your sitemap to your Google Search Console. A sitemap, as suggested by the name, is a map of your website. Google uses this to know where all the pages are, which helps them appear on Google searches a lot quicker. If you don't know if you have a sitemap, just try to add /sitemap.xml or try checking with SEO plugin that you installed earlier. Number 4, put out great content on a regular basis. A lot easier said than done. And really, this can be quite time consuming. Trust me, I know. But you should be putting out blog posts on a regular and new pages for your website and updating whenever you can. Also, just to make good content people will enjoy. Don't try to cheat the system. Google is most likely smarter than you are. They're smarter than I, too. What are some websites or blogs that you check out pretty much on a regular? What are they doing right with SEO? Let us know down in the comments. And like always, don't forget to smash that like button. My YouTube fans out there, thank you so much for making it this far. Please click like and then also hit the subscribe button. And then click all after hitting that. Once you hit subscribe, you can comment on this page. I really love to see what you have to say on comments. And also there's a share button. If you want to share this, you can share it out via SMS and text it to somebody that they might want to hear this information as well. Or you can go ahead and send it out to your team so that they can hear this and get more content as well. Thank you very much and have a blessed week.